Hi guys, welcome back to channel. Today we're going to learn this things called what is variables in Power Automate. Okay, so we're going to understand this things called what is variables in Microsoft Power Automate. Okay, so on the top right side we're getting the icons that is called variables. So it's a cross sign that is the icon of the variables. If you click on this things called variables, we'll get this things called the particular variable section. Okay, so here first of all I'm getting this thing called search the variable. So suppose that you want to search this particular variable, that name is called add. So what we'll do right now, we'll try to search this things called add. We're getting the proper variable, that name is called add. Like this way we can go for search any type of variables. Okay, again we're going to understand this things called what is variables. Okay, variables especially for storing any type of data mean maybe that your name, your number, your decimal value, any type of array data, any type of list data, any type of Excel data. Okay, so variables we can create like this: string, integer, decimal, your data table, SQL, any type of variables we can create. So variables especially for storing any data, whatever you want to go for that, we can go for that. Okay, so for every actions we can create this things called input variable. We can go for click on this things called input variable, and here if you go for that, we are getting this things called the variable name. We are getting this things called data type, that is called text. Whatever you want to go for like that, we can create this things called text. We want to go for number, you want to go for boolean, you want to go for this things called custom object, you want to go for list. Suppose you want to go for number, automatically it will come this things called 0. If you want to go for this things called text, it will come ABCD. If you want to go for this things called boolean, it will come like that, true false. Okay, so whatever you want to go for this things called, if you want to go for list, so it will automatically come curly braces, we can go for create. Okay, so like this way we can create these things called particular variables. Okay, here you can see right now we're getting these things called multiple variables like that list ABCD. Here I'm getting this things called filter option. If you want to go for this things called text value, so we can select only text value like that filter. We're getting only text variable. If you want to go for web browser, we're getting this things called only web browser. If you want to go for this things called general value, we're getting this things called only general value. If you want to go for Excel, so we're getting this things called only Excel particular variable. If you want to go for SQL, we're getting only SQL particular connections. And if you want to go for list of general value, we're getting this things called list particular variable. So like this way we can go for filter any type of variables in the Power Automate, and like this way we can create the particular variable. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.